Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and create an account on Nike app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. For that purpose, for me, I will love to go to in our browser and search nike.com. For you can go ahead, open your app that you have installed right there in your mobile phone. Once you open your app, you will simply be able to find this kind of join us option right there. Simply go ahead, tap on that join us option. Once you're done entering your email, go ahead, tap on this continue option right given there. Go ahead, tap on the shopping preferences. Go ahead, choose the one, enter your date of birth. Once you're done entering, go ahead, tap on this I agree to Nike's privacy and policy. Now what you will do is, for this code's purpose, go ahead, open your Gmail of your mobile phone and go ahead, enter that particular code over here. Now go ahead, enter your first name, surname. Now create a password for yourself and tap on this I agree and tap on this create account option. Once you do that, you will simply be able to get over here Nike and you have successfully created your account as well. You can go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line and you can see your account name will be above over there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply go ahead, create an account right there in your app. I hope this video was helpful to you all. If you got more questions and concerns, to leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.